What's up, guys? It's Hunter, part of Offset Outdoors. Coming up with a new video today. Me and my friend are going to be carp fishing at Monona Bay. It was about 5 o'clock, and we're going to have a good day of fishing. Caught a few carp. Well, I caught one carp. Caught two decent-sized bluegill. And I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. See y'all. First catch of the day, monster bluegill. Not what I'm going for. And keeps fucking slipping. Pretty nice sized bluegill, gotta say. Get the hook out of its mouth. There we go. Nice bluegill. I'm just gonna move my bait. I think I lost my bait. Oh, never mind. Got a weed.
Wow, this one really is not
All right, let's drop her back down. Let's go right. Let that drop down. You letting it drop to the bottom?
Yeah, you just leave that bottom.
There we go. Nice day. Fishing Monona Bay.
I personally don't think there's one on, but I might be wrong.
Never mind, it's just fucking weeds.
Just try to get it under the
No. What?
Is that under the bridge?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna click on
I don't know if I have it still. Here, hold on. I'm gonna. Oh yeah. Okay, I got it. What? Maybe. I'm gonna drop down here. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay. Big one, I think.
Okay. Trade spots. Move to the right.
Here, move your line. Move your line. Move your line.
I can't move it.
I'm in your line.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, we're good. We're
They're
good.
both of my lines. You can...
I know. We're okay. We're okay. It's a go on.
We are not okay. All right, hold on.
Well, come net it at least. It's not too bad of one. You're gonna stand my line. You're gonna stand my line. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come down here. Release the bail. Release the bail.
Look at this fucking mess.
I know. That's why I said don't do
God
anything.
damn it.
He's bleeding.
Yeah, you fucking...
Get him.
Oh my god, it's giant. Oh my fuck.
There we go.
Oh, shit, it's fucking big.
There we go.
We're nowhere near good.
My wrist hurts so bad.
We're gonna have to cut this off and redo it.
Okay, well, I don't even know where I have them hooked. But it must.
Just cut it off because you're supposed to kill carp anyways.
Oh, this is a good carp.
Yeah, you're...
Alright, well. Let's bring this carp over here.
Look at this. What? What the fuck is this?
Oh. Here, you want to record? Nice little carp. Took that hook down pretty well.
Let it like show it. You gotta hold it differently. You're getting blood all over you, by the way.
All right, let's just release it.
Yeah, just release it.
Look at that. Actually, what you got?
Bluegill the size of my grandma.
Get her in. Oh, that's a big bluegill.
It's a monster. It's like Chief Keef size. Oh,
I got one.
Oh, you got one. You got one. You definitely have one. I can see your line keep going back.
Oh, came off.
Got one?
Came off. Dang. Well, that's good action, though. Cast right under. Put it right down in there. There we go. That's your setup right there. All right, that's going to be the end of this video. If you enjoyed, comment, like, and subscribe, please. Appreciate it. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.